please vote for me.
Give him a vote.
I need this 100 grand so I can quit mining.
Yep.
I'm not trying to give you a sob story or nothing, but get me out of my job.
Just straight calling the boss, at the party.
I'm not coming back.
I'm
no.
coming back.
Yeah,
How nice would that be?
No
to say?
resignation letter. Just
Nothing.
fuck off.
Yeah.
No.
Welcome back to another episode of TFI Uncut. I'm here with Alek.
Yeah, it is.
Mate, how old are you?
26.
26.
26.
Far, so you're not 16?
Nah, well, that's what we can tell the people. 16,
it's okay,
brother's
mate.
ID says 26. That's how we got in the cast last night.
So you guys, are you the youngest team in TFI this year? You lads? Hadn't thought about that?
Well, Paris and Maddie would probably be pretty
How
close.
are the girls? I assume they were.
I think Maddie's 26.
Oh, is she?
And I'd say...
Paris was maybe over 30. Sorry, Paris.
Okay.
Well, anyway, you're the. As far as I'm concerned, you guys are the young guns.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. And the boys just ripped in and had like
yeah, we
kick-ass time, as far as I'm concerned.
had a big mission, man. So the whole plan from the start was 3 islands, 3 days.
Yep.
It's like 3 mates, 3 Land Cruisers.
3
like,
cars.
Yeah, like that's good things come in threes.
Yeah.
So we thought, how are we gonna do something different?
Where'd you start this mission from?
Fraser.
Yeah.
So we started on Fraser Island.
Yep.
And
No, the trip. So where were you based from to start?
we're Brizzy. So
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, me, Max, Brizzy, Sam, Sunny Coast. So nothing was too far from us.
Yep.
Which is sort of convenient.
Yeah.
And obviously like juggling other things as well, like super tight schedules, and all of us running 3 different businesses. We're like, all right, how are we gonna maximize our time in terms of like smashing out this film, getting everything done, and then like still coming up with some sick ideas.
Sick plan, yeah. And obviously something's going to happen when you put yourself under that much pressure.
Yeah,
Like, it'll happen.
Yeah. So we hooked in, had a red hot crack at it, and fucking had the best time ever. So
What was some of the highlights of what happened?
drinking beers after 5 when the cameras were off, that was pretty good. Yeah.
It's always the best.
Yeah,
It's like
that's-
we got the job done.
Yeah.
The trick is to always keep the cameras rolling. That's what
Yeah.
we've worked out. All the best stuff happens when they're off.
Yeah.
Even if it is the beer drinking.
I suppose. Our trickiest thing for us, though, was like coming from filming YouTube
Yeah.
to, all right, now we've got to create a 20-minute short film. So it's like what we know when it's like your piece to camera or just trying to do your normal general sort of stuff. It's like, it's just so different in a film, and watching back like the films the other night, I was like, wow, we could have done this so much different.
Yep.
You know?
So you filmed it all yourselves? All your own gear, everything like that?
We had a filmer, one filmer.
Yep.
And then everything else was all GoPros in car, in cab sort of stuff.
Yep.
But yeah, pretty well just us.
Yep.
So,
Who edited it all?
Sid Emmanuel, Jaden.
Oh, yeah.
He
Put it
does
all together for you, yeah?
he does all the stuff around the shows here as well.
Yeah,
so,
cool.
Yeah. Big ups to Jaden, because we definitely couldn't have done that.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Did he come to the screening?
No.
No.
I don't know where he was. I'm not sure if he was actually in Melbourne.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but he is kicking around the show.
What'd you think of the screening?
Absolutely unreal.
It was a sick night, eh? It was
Fucking
such a
awesome,
sick
man.
night.
So sick. Like the whole layout, having the whole cinema to ourselves, like
It was,
the recliner seats. I'm just like, hell yeah, this is awesome.
It was one of the best ones I've ever been to, because everyone got there, no one knew anyone. Next minute we're all friends. Next minute we're all going into the cinema together, and then it was like a bit of a rowdy party.
It was
the
so
cinema.
good, man.
The place was trashed when we left. I was like looking at all the popcorn and drinks and that everywhere. It's like, holy.
But it was so good, and like I think 9 beers deep before we walked in, just to continue on. I'm like, this is so good. I'm like,
It was so good.
yeah, absolutely awesome. And just cheering for the boys and like seeing everybody on the screen, and like, because I know a few of the boys, like we're all really close mates. So to see each other and like backing and supporting each other, I'm just like,
That was the best thing about it. Hey,
yeah, man, 100%.
Because you are all on, I guess, a pedestal now moving forward. Like as far as what we've created, and you're the face of our brand now, and it's stoked to have you all involved.
Dude, it is such a great opportunity for us too. You know, like not just for you guys, but for us as well. Like this is something that's so new, so niche, and it's fucking sick. So like for us to have the opportunity to
Tell me a little bit more about like what you mean by that.
Well, like TFI for me was always fishing. It was like, you know.
Did you watch it when it was fishing?
I watched
the
first one, not last year's.
Yeah.
When Matt and Sam did it.
Yep.
When they went up and
Yeah.
fucking flew the heli out and was on the ski.
Yeah.
And I
the
was
ultimate boys trip fishing.
and I'm like, the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Like, what is this? And then
It's a wild concept, hey? Like,
Dude.
just getting 10 of the best guys together.
Yeah.
The time frame,
and
head
it's
to head.
like, go hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's 100 grand if you
Yeah,
win.
yeah.
All right, I
Get
don't
to
mind
work,
if I
boys.
do.
Get to work.
Yeah, but it's just such a sick dynamic as well. And then not really knowing what to do. It's not like, oh, this is what we're filming. Like, go out and film this. It's like, nah, here's all your creative elements.
Yep.
Go hard.
Yeah, here's a handful of things you need to do. Get to work.
Yeah, literally. It's like, oh, show easy, freeze, and thoughts. It's
Yeah.
like, all right, yeah, cool, no worries. I can do
Easy.
that. Yeah, but dude, so good.
You could see it on the night because all the films we've said heaps of times now, but they were so different and they've all
So
got their
different.
own little perk to it.
Yeah, big time. And looking back now, it's just like, oh, you know, like, if I had another crack at it, like, oh, I'd do so much different.
Yeah.
And yeah, like, oh, I'd change
So we're going to
this,
see
I'd
you in
do
another
that.
TFI, no doubt.
I hope so.
Yep.
I hope so. I hope I'm invited back. It's,
Yeah, sick.
absolutely sick. It
Yeah.
was so much fun. Like the whole concept, everything, the filming, just being involved, and then the night, like the screening was so good.
Yeah, that's so good to hear back. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what we thought too. It was just
Yeah.
like the best friggin' night, and then you guys are front and center. Like, you're the fucking talk of the town here at the show.
Yeah.
The next couple of weeks, and then we'll do it all again for the party.
Yeah, so good. So good. I can't wait. There's some that
We'll
I
end up
love
at the
doing.
Cas
It
that
is.
night too. He reckons he just got home from he like come straight here from the Cas. It is it's a Sunday here.
It is Sunday.
We're in Melbourne.
Day 4 for me.
Yeah, it's
Just-
been a big couple of days.
I'm kicking on.
So
yeah.
where are you working here?
I'm down in the bottom pavilion with Black Bear Tyres.
Yep.
So they've supported me from day one.
Yep.
I come out and just sort of put my face on the stand for those guys. So
Are you doing this stuff full time now, or do you got to?
no, still got another job as well. So I work in the mines.
Yep.
I'm an operator. I push a bit of dirt around and,
Yeah.
and then fly home. So
You need to find your bacon somewhere.
yeah. It keeps the roof over my head. But
What about the other boys? Are they still working too?
yeah, so Sam's full-time creator.
Yep.
Like he does YouTube, and that's him, 9 to 5. And Max owns Hyperfab, which is this business.
Oh,
They
that's
do
sick.
custom exhausts, cooler pipes. Basically, go drop off a car. And it's like, I want this.
Yeah.
They can do it. So
How do you see the next couple of years playing out with like what you want to be doing?
for me personally, I want to go content creation full-time.
Full-time.
That's
I love
that's what I'm walking into.
Yep.
Aligning myself with some good businesses, good people, and just giving it a good crack.
Yep.
So that's it for me. I think for Max, I can't really speak for them, but I know he's keen as to give Hyperfab a red hot crack, like
Yeah.
110%, go hard. And I think Sam's just going to keep kicking on doing what he's doing. You know?
I just love how you guys are so young. You're already in this like really unique position to just kick ass for the next couple of years.
Yeah,
It's exciting. It's exciting to see.
It's super exciting for me because like coming out of school, I was a mechanic working on cars,
Yeah.
and then sort of threw that in the bin because I was getting paid crumbs to the dollar to, you know, like fucking work
Bash your
hard.
hands around, just bash yourself around,
And
yeah.
for some whinging customer that's just like, I don't want to pay that.
Yeah.
That's like, fuck man. So been that, went out to the mines. That's sort of what I've been doing for the last 7 years. So that's all I know really is pushing dirt and
Yeah.
then
I was a
getting
boilie by trade for like 10 or 15 years. It was the worst frigging thing ever.
Yeah. Yeah.
It got so bad where I was like, you know what? I don't care what I do. It's just not this.
Yeah.
And then just
Literally anything but this.
Started learning from scratch all the stuff we're doing now. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's so exciting, like learning new skills and then having the create,
So
like,
excited, especially when you start getting good at them.
yeah, and the creative freedom to be able to do what you want and be myself. I can put me out there as me. You know, I don't have to be some guru behind the camera that's, you know, trying to sell a car like a salesman. It's like I'm just me.
It's you, yeah. And you're gonna make it work. If you don't like it, piss off. It's all good.
Yeah. See if I can. But it's sick, man. And seeing the stepping stones that's, you know, over the last 2 years for me, like where I started from absolutely nothing. It was just like, oh, I'm going to post a few things in my car to where I'm at now, literally sitting here after creating a film. I'm like, man, what a fucking wild ride this has been for me. But this is just my next step forward into
It really is.
giving
It's
it-
just
giving
like,
it a
let's
red hot
go, let's
crack.
go, let's go.
100%. I'm just going to keep chasing it. And
So
go
excited.
hard,
Yeah,
so.
just fucking pin the ears back.
Yeah, 100%. Lock in. Have a go. The people probably know, well, they might not know that Tommy pulled out. So Tommy was originally...
Yeah, that's right. There's a little bit of drama at the start, or a little bit of something to chat about.
Anyway, I won't dive too deep into that. But Tommy had other commitments and had to pull out. So I was like, all right, well, I'm not pulling out.
Yeah.
This is a fucking gangster opportunity.
Yeah, have
So
good.
sort of put me in this position where I'm like, all right, who am I doing this with?
Yeah.
And,
Now we're like Tommy who?
yeah. I didn't see him on TV. That's all I'm saying. But no, so I was like, all right, I rang Sam straight away. Well, actually, the first person I rang was Mac.
Yeah,
Mac
yeah.
Preston.
I
I'm
think
like,
everyone rang Max
yeah, I'm
first.
like, wait. what are you doing over these next 3 months? He's like, TFI. Fuck. I was like, shit. But, yeah, and I'm like, all right, cool. Well, fuck you then, Mac. No worries. I'll go and find somebody else.
I was about to take you down, Mac.
Yeah. What's up? I'm coming second.
Yeah.
Everybody else is second too.
Yeah.
But,
That's what we're just saying. There's one winner in TFI. Everyone else is second.
yeah. Yep.
It's the only way to have it.
It's all right. Look, we're coming for the top.
We're going for the top.
Yeah. But no. So yeah, I was like, all right, who am I gonna work with? And I love the way that Sam does his, like, just presents himself through YouTube and all of his other socials as well. So I was sort of like, all right, cool. Me and him align perfectly when it comes to just raw, funny, relatable content, where it's just super easy, off the dome. Like, most of our stuff was all just first take, one take, because
See that? You can see it clear as day. It's just flowing easy. It's fun. There's zero pressure. The boys are just having a sick time together.
Yeah, and we're sort of like,
I wish I seen all the stuff that happened off the back.
well,
When the cameras
we
are off.
we can see what we've got, because I'm sure Jaden still have plenty of
Yeah,
stuff.
bang something together. Bang a little YouTube app together.
Yeah, well, that's like when I spoke to Sarah, I was like, oh, what can we sort of use? And then she's like, fucking anything that's not in the film.
Yeah,
I was like,
100%. It's all good to go. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're definitely working on that.
Amazing.
As well. That's in the background. But yeah, so just surrounding myself with these like-minded people that want to do cool creative content. And then so Tommy's in the bin, and I was like, all right, well, we've got to fill another spot, so we'll grab Max because he's one of our close mates.
Yeah.
And same thing, super keen, happy to jump in on the trip. He's got a sick car, like the cruise is awesome. And yeah, we're all just boys, you know. Like,
What happened with the last island? Because you just didn't get the cars there. So there was a drama.
Yeah, so
You got to the island, but yeah.
we did make it to the island, but there was a bit of a fuck up with the barge time. So like, we didn't really do the 3 islands in 3 days, obviously. It was filmed over a few, and we pieced it together to make it look right. It was well, computers, how does it work?
It is a production, yeah.
But the only day that we were all available to get over to Moreton, they were running maintenance on the barges or something. So like, they actually weren't available.
Yeah.
And the other thing was like dollars. So for like all 3 of us to go over, I think it was like $650 return each for the Moreton barge. I'm like, just to get over there, to get our cars over to film for 1 day, I'm like, that's a lot of money. So we sort of went, all right, how are we going to do this? And then, rang our mate Dwayne. I'm like, wait, you got the boat? He's like, yeah. I'm like, fuck yeah, let's take the boat out.
It's $50 fuel, brother.
Yeah, 100%. And he just come through clutch, which was super sweet. And I also was sort of thinking, like, on the backside of things, I'm like, all right.
The fishing audience.
100%. 100%. I'm like, I'm going to tune into the fishing audience here. Like, if I'm out on the boat, I would have loved to have got rods in the water, but the other 2 boys don't fish.
Yeah.
Questionable, I know. Like, why am I choosing people like this if they don't like fishing, but whatever. But yeah, no, so Dwayne come through, and I'm like, all right, if we tap into, like, the fishing and top water invitational sort of audience like that, they're all love fishing.
I was thinking that the whole time. Like, if someone does tie in a little bit of fishing, it's got to help. It has to.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. And then we had that one shot of some random dude fishing on the beach, and I was like, again, it's just going to tap into that right audience, because you just never know. Like, that can cop some votes. They'll be like, oh, the boys were the only ones that fucking got out and
100%.
got out on a boat or went fishing. And turns out there was actually a couple of boats in a few films, and I was like, fucking bastards got to it before me. But it was good, man. Like, it was a good little twist at the end, I think. Like, couldn't get the cars over there, but sort of hit the next best thing with
getting it done. Yeah, boys still got the job done. That was the main thing.
Yeah, bit of brain power behind it, thinking like, oh yeah, this will tap into something.
So back to like just surrounding yourself with good people. Who's some people that you'd maybe like to work with in the future that you haven't? Is there any like guys out there you're keen as to link up with?
Honestly, man, I'm in a pretty good position right now where I am already surrounded by the people I didn't think I'd ever be working with 12 months ago.
Yeah, wow.
Like, and not in terms of just working with people, but having the opportunity to fucking make a phone call and go hang out or whatever. And, you know, like, as a consumer...
That's it. That's as good as it gets.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Like, as a consumer of content 12 months ago when I was watching it all, I'm like, oh, wow, like, I'd love to fucking go and see Mac or TJ or Pooley or any of those
You're
sort
at
of
the
boys.
bar with them.
Literally.
Have the Cass out until 4 a.m.
Max ringing me going, hey, can you come drop me coilovers off down to my house? And I'm like, yeah, dude. Like, it's just how you build those relationships and the development and growth. And I think I'm in a position now where, like, I am really surrounded by good people that are willing to help, push and drive to, like, make good things happen. So I'm excited to see what the next 12 months brings. And, so that's actually a very good question in terms of, like, who I'd like to see myself with or in that like my next step, because I really don't know. Like I'm just taking it as it comes.
Yeah.
And yeah.
What's the next step look like for you? It's giving up this job.
Call the
Yeah,
fucking
call
boss.
the fucking boss.
Fuck
Yeah.
off. Yeah. Call the boss. And
I'm sure there's people in the industry who'd love to have you involved or look after you. So
Yeah. Yeah. So just got to make it happen.
be interesting to see where that ends up.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So that's where I sort of want to be in the next 12 months. But I'm in a very good position right now where I do have the support and help from all the boys that.
Little bit of advice. I reckon you should start making 5-year plans.
Yeah.
Make a big fucking goal for 5 years and then just start chipping away at it. 12-month ones are too little.
It's fair. That's
Yeah.
fair. Yeah. I suppose.
Bit of advice.
Yeah, I'll take that on board.
Yeah.
100%. I know the way I've always looked at it as shit changes so quick.
Yeah,
Yeah. And it's like,
Well, you're already seeing it happen. The last
Yeah.
12 months, it's probably hard for you to even look past 12 months
Yeah.
after how much things have changed.
yeah, the change in growth rate. Like I'm from a small town, Mackay, like back
Yeah.
up north, just south of Airlie.
Yeah.
And for me, like 24 years I lived there, and that's all I knew was fucking cane farming and mining.
Yeah.
And then coming down to Brizzy, I'm like, oh, the big smoke, like this is a bit on. And yeah, literally in a 12-month turnover, it's just gone from like literally living in a cane paddock to now living in Brizzy. And it's like,
Unreal.
holy fuck.
Unreal, bro.
Surrounding myself with people. So
You just put yourself in the right position and now you're going to reap the
100%.
benefit of it.
I'm fucking going to give it a good go.
You ain't going back to Mackay?
Nah, oh God, no. Absolutely not. Nothing there for me.
Where
so.
exactly are you working away? Where's the mine?
Mowra.
Oh, yeah.
So 2 hours west of Rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah, out in the fucking guinea weeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be a thing of the past shortly, hopefully.
Hopefully, man. Yeah, that's all we can do. Rip in and have a go.
So the Explore Dream Wildcard Film Comp.
Yep.
How familiar are you with that?
Not very.
Not at all.
No.
So we're running a wildcard film comp
Yep.
where anyone can enter. They can either submit a 10-minute video, it could be old footage, new footage, mixture of both.
Yep.
So as soon as the winners announcements party's done, we're going to really get cracking on that.
Yep. Sick.
Basically, yeah, thanks to Maddie and the Explore Dream guys, anyone can submit their film. It's going to go on the TFI platform. Obviously, all the viewers on there are going to suss it all out. They're going to
Yep.
vote,
Yep.
and we're going to work out who the top 10 or 20 are. And then there's going to be another round of voting, and then the winner gets entry to next year's TFI.
Yeah, sick. That's
Yeah,
cool.
so you probably might know some people who could be keen to jump in that.
Yeah. Yep. I get a few
You know a
people.
couple?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or know a
so-
couple?
Yeah, that's sick. So that's open to anybody.
Anyone, and it's free to enter.
Sweet. Yeah. Cool. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
So
can,
keep that in mind when the guys are running past your stand or whatever.
Yeah, yeah, I can definitely work on that. That's
Yeah,
easy
cool.
done. Yeah, I got a few boys that are pretty creative, so
That's how you can maybe get a way back in too, if you
yeah.
wanted to.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
for sure. But yeah, no, it's the whole thing from start to finish has been so sick, man.
So we've got it pretty dialed now. The whole experience is just the best. We love it. Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, I love stealing my brother's fake ID and getting on the beers. So no, the parties have been sick. Great crowd.
Is the big party tonight, or was last night the big party?
Yeah, no, last night was a big one. I'm flying back to Brizzy today. So.
Yeah, so yeah. I'm like, let's
I'm
get
hurting.
Yeah, let's
I've
get
had
the hell
enough.
out of here. Let's get the hell out. I sat in this bar all day yesterday drinking. It was the best.
Yeah.
Had the fire going, looking at all the people walk past.
Yeah, I don't know if I can handle it anymore. I'm
that's
tapped out.
Exactly why I decided to fly out today too.
Yeah, yeah,
We're gonna need to get our ass home and get ready for the party and
yeah. Go again.
hopefully can end up with 100k cash.
That'd be nice, eh?
We'll go straight to the Cass.
Yeah, let's go again.
On red.
All on red. All on red.
Is there anything else you'd like to add for the guys listening at home?
If anybody has an opportunity to give something like this a crack, just fucking go for it.
Yeah.
You know, grab it by the balls and go hard because it's sick. It's been an absolute wicked experience for me personally, and just surround yourself with good people and do the right things because it's fucking sick.
Sick. Guys, if you haven't watched the films, go and suss out Alek's film.
Yeah.
Filminvitational.com.
Please vote for me.
Give him a vote.
I need this 100 grand so I can quit mining.
Yep.
I'm not trying to give you a sob story or nothing, but get me out of my job.
Just straight calling the boss, at the party.
I'm not coming back.
I'm
no.
coming back.
Yeah,
How
no-
nice would that
no
be to say?
resignation
Yeah.
letter.
Nothing.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, well, that's probably a wrap, bro. Unless
Nah,
there's anything
sweet.
else you want to say.
Just a massive thank you to you guys.
Yeah,
You
nah.
know, putting it all together and the production team and everyone else that makes this happen because I know how much work goes in behind the scenes with the cameras. So, yeah. No, yeah, thank you to everybody. And thank you to our sponsors and everybody else that's like backing us. But yeah, no, big thanks to you guys.
Appreciate the kind words, bro.
That's
All
it.
the best.
Sweet. Cheers, brother.
Cheers,
thank
brother.
you very much.
Sick. Sick
Cool.
chat.